McNeeley at the start of each fight.
124 pounds, 21 of his knockouts coming in the first round. Number 7 heavyweight in the world, Peter McNeeley. Introduction, the trunks, and fighting Hill, New York. The number 1 contender, Tyson.
McNeeley, as advertised, comes right at Mike Tyson. Seconds into the fight, McNeeley on the canvas. McNeeley pounding away. Mike just hang back there. 1 minute gone by. McNeeley's already been down. Because they were starting to butt heads. Oh. Tyson with a left hook, a right up, and down goes. This time, Steve, he's very hurt. That was not correct. That was not correct. He quit. He didn't quit at all. McNeeley didn't quit at all.